Patio paving, understanding the basics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term patio paving. This phrase might be new to some of you, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what patio paving is and how it's used in everyday conversation. Let's start with the word patio. A patio is an outdoor space usually attached to a house, used for dining or recreation. Patios are often designed to be enjoyable and relaxing areas. In simple terms, think of it as an outdoor living room. Now, let's discuss paving. Paving refers to the process of covering or laying a surface with stones, bricks, tiles, or concrete. It's a method used to create a hard, flat surface. In our context, paving is the act of making the ground of the patio solid and usable. When we combine these terms, patio paving means the process of creating a hard, flat surface in an outdoor area at a home. It involves laying bricks, stones, or other materials to form a durable and attractive ground surface. This process transforms a simple outdoor space into a functional patio. Patio paving is not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. A well-paved patio can enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. It's often used in landscape design and can vary in materials and patterns, offering numerous styles for homeowners. And that's what patio paving is all about. It's a wonderful way to turn a basic outdoor area into a beautiful and practical space. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this term better. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.